To our correct, wonderful people out there. January, now the beginning of the year. But most people don't even know why they call them January. Actually, the name January, now name will come from the Roman god, will be Janus, we get two face. So they say January, now year where they face, now month where they face, one they face the old year, one they face the new year. Now make the call on January. And everything around January, always, now waiting people know they ever fit understand. The December, where they before the January, now month where people they spend excessively, that they overspend. Then come enter January. Now there everybody, they begin hear out of their body. Why January, the day so hard?
I just hear that your explanation of January face here, but it makes sense. Oh, well, January had, you know, the stress, the carried over stress into January. From December, they don't suffer, they don't chop, they don't marry, they don't
To chop na suffer.
na suffer.
To chop na suffer.
Na free. The rice na free. No be free.
But once you don't get them, you not be suffer again now.
After you don't suffer, get them. You come dey chop am. You dey chop am now, you dey enter another January to suffer.
Shey they say dog wey carry 3 hours they break bone. You know wetin they find inside.
Wetin dey find.
So you wey dey suffer to get the rice. Now because you want sit down and enjoy the
As
tea.
you finish enjoy, you dey enter the next year to do wetin again.
To start
Suffer.
all over again.
Yeah, so the lack of planning for people, you know, the need for make people just understand, say, as I dey enter this January now, as I dey spend, as I dey enjoy for this December, January, and as we dey talk am, January no be 31 days, e reach 100 days. E go reach 40, we go still dey look, e go reach 90 till 100.
But
So-
you don't ever understand, say, now people actually they make and they reach like that.
Yes, now we dey make am, and our life choices,
Okay.
our decisions.
For the past 3 days now, some people they say hold up for Lokoja. Now tomorrow be the Christmas. They never even sure whether they go reach.
The stress,
Now,
hormones, everything, body pains.
they'll
on top
come
this
spend that money. By the time they go reach village, they need to go Dorime small. Do local Dangote, spend money small. Then before you know, broke go come enter.
you go enter, they will come enter January with all the stress, illness. Some people now, wetin don buy them for road, we no know. Wetin the kind food wey dey chop wey no neat, the water wey dey go drink wey no neat for road. January na there the thing go come build. For January wey dey suppose come resume work, na that time they go dey sick. Na that time they need to feed. You go pay hospital bill, you go feed, you go do everything. So you see say our choices na dey cause
You
all
know
this
say
problem.
January. How many times I called the name?
Nothing do January now na problem.
Wait now. Now, some people school fees line up for them.
E dey,
House rent jam school fees.
e dey.
They don't shop food finish. The food wey they supposed keep for house, they don't carry and travel go village. Then some people now, as we dey talk now, some state government and even federal government don't pay salary more than 3 days ago. So some of these workers now don't broke already.
Yes.
Meanwhile, December never even finish.
Never finish. 1 week.
By the time December go come finish, January go come start to dey count.
Na so. My friend wey dey Lagos say dem pay her on the 12th.
Eh?
Yes, on the 12th na dem pay her. So if they pay on the 12th, I come dey think say that one na blessing or curse. Because I'm confused. Why you dey pay me on the 12th? When I do wetin?
Who do that kind of evil?
When we chop and finish. For Lagos for that matter. So we go chop the
No, if
money.
na Lagos, no problem.
I no problem.
No, Lagos hustle dey.
Hustle dey.
Hustle dey everywhere. Hustle dey, even front of your house. You fit, every kind thing dey Lagos. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But some other states will be like full civil service servant states, where business is not too plenty there, factories not too dey there. Come think of so you can collect salary on the 12th.
The 12th. E don be for you be that.
You can't Dorime finish by 15th. The Christmas never even reach, you don't broke.
You know say normal day we no even do Christmas. Our money no dey reach 1 month. Just think am. On the normal day you collect, even say we dey March, you collect your salary, e dey reach the next month. Some people don do urgent 2k join. You don't do urgent to abeg, give me urgent to my brother. I go pay you back.
But to think of am o, salary actually no dey reach the first
E
week.
no dey reach.
The first week. So January, you wey now don spend your own. This thing wey we dey talk now na for you to prepare against next year because
Prepare.
this year advice don pass you.
Don pass you.
You wey never receive or just dey receive, use your tongue count your teeth.
Na so.
Spend responsibly.
Spend responsibly.
If you want dorime, like one of my friends, anytime you wan travel go village for Christmas, if he get like 30k that time, he go cut like 20k hide under him rug.
Na him get sense pass.
Go cut like 20k hide under him rug, then carry 10k travel go take do local dangote for
Na
them.
him get sense pass for this thing.
So by the time he dey come back January, when people dey shout 20k lie down somewhere, that time 20k na better money.
Na so.
So that the money wey you fit spend reach like February. So borrow yourself brain. Wise man dey learn from other people mistake. But person wey dey like me and you go wait make it happen. Then you go begin the remix. Why me Lord, why me, Lord, why me.
Na so you go with WhatsApp status now. You go social media. You go see everybody. They say January never finish. January, this period, give yourself brain. If you don't collect your salary and nobody don't advise you, no vex. Forgive us saying and now we dey talk this matter. But if you just dey receive your salary, just borrow yourself brain. If you understand, borrow yourself brain. Make you check your funds, your spending. Check am because as you take spend, they say the way wey you take lie your bed, na so you go take sleep on top am. Na so you go put your body. January we know God make am make e be January, may all of us just dey. But the way wey e dey so, January na like the worst month wey people dey see on top December wey we don flex, we don flenjo, we don happy, we don party. Now reality does come, na dey setting for January.
Especially
so
now sef wey dem don get better excuse
now
to
tax
spend money.
everything don enter.
Dirty
January.
December.
Exactly, we don give am dirty December. How you wan take clean for January? Make you take plan
You
your
go
life.
take January dey wash am.
No forget o, may I help una list things. School fees dey, feeding dey, light bill dey, water bill dey. Which bill no dey
Urgent
Nigeria
billing.
sef? Urgent billing dey. Your sister, your brother, everybody billing go enter. So you see say
And even you
automatically
yourself, you need to transport go
you
your
need to
work.
transport go the work wey dey pay you. So there's an automatic need.
But more na take am easy on January,
take
sha.
am easy.
More na take am easy on January.
Yes,
People wey dey
take am
talk about January or anyhow dey provoke with them because na my month.
Yeah.
We will get our
January
buy day
babies.
there.
So we start dey shout out to our January babies. So then they.
See us here now.
Okay, shout out to you.
Yee-hoo-hoo. I be not be so they do shout.
Na so shout out to you.